Okay, for the roof. Now for the roof, what you will do, go to the lower roof. Now you have a problem here. You see that in the lower roof, you don't see. But what you will do from where? You can do it from what? From level 2. When you take level 2, and when you take the roof here, see, when you take the floor here, take the floor, architectural floor, and this time you're going to make an offset of, like, for example, offset of, let's say, 600 millimeters. And when you take the rectangle, it's going to be roof, it is going to be roof 150, 600 millimeters. Take rectangle. When you draw rectangle, you see that there is an offset. There is one offset. How much it should be? The offset is what? 600, huh? Click here. You see that it is 600, offset is there. When you click on this, it's automatically giving an offset here. And say finish, attach, yes. And when you look at from the 3D view, you have a something like that. There is a floor which is offsetted. How much? Offsetted is how much? 600. Okay, let me do it again one more time. Go to what? Level 2. Then you will select now floor. And the level you're going to assign is what? Lower roof. How much the rectangle? You will take rectangle. And how much the offset you will give? 600, I said, better change into 900. 900. And click corner and this corner. And it's having a 900. Say attach. 3D view. It is attached. Every direction is how much? 900 is extended. 900 is extended.
So, I'm sorry, I need your attention. Which button? What is your thought? Because before all the buttons, they were muted.
Okay, now take your what?
No, this I can do, but before all the buttons here, they were mute. That I could not more.
It is gone. If you go like this, if you are here, it's inactive. You can't see anything. Go to your correct tool and cancel that.
Click more correct.
Okay. No, no, not roof. It's floor. I'm talking about floor, not roof. Okay, now in 3D view, the floor is not done for rest of the floor. You didn't do it. This is you have done it for what? For the mezzanine floor. So you have to do it for the level 1 also. And do it for the level 2 also. Okay, now you have, okay, now you have to do the roof. Okay, go to level 2 and again take what? Floor, but this time you will say what? Roof. Okay, now take rectangle. Rectangle after offset is what? But so when you click it here, it automatically plays a 900 offset. And say finish, attach. And when you see 2D view, it's again. Okay, any problem? Then lower roof to lower roof and take rectangle. and then offset, then offset. Okay, now click this corner and the other corner. Say finish. Attach. Clear?
This roof,
Okay.
this roof type, no, this is just flat roof. It can
Just
be
a
edited,
flat
right?
roof. It's a flat roof.
It can be edited.
Yeah, it can be edited. I'll tell you later. Okay. So now when you look at from the ground floor, it looks like this. No, this is your ground floor. See, when I have a section, let me have a section. How to create a section from the ground floor? See, I can close all of them at once. I can close, just keep the ground floor only and close this, click this icon, all inactive icon will be closed at a time. This icon will close the rest of the tab here. So now you're having only ground floor tab here, isn't it? Now you have a section button here. Just take the section button, do a section here. And you are able to see the sections now. So this is the section range. And I can keep the section range up to here. My section range is up to here. Then click on the section, right click and say go to view. See, this is your sections. You can see it in the wireframe. This is the sections, correct, you know? This is your basement and this is rest of the floor.
Section.
Yeah. Let me do one more section from here. Take the section from here to here. And I can see the range here, no problem. Right click, go to view. And this section range looks like this. See here, this is my planned room and things like that.
So your section of where you should be.
So I created two sections as here. Uh, hmm. Yeah, go to view. Right click, go to view. Yeah. Click it. See that? Can see them now. Which one? Where is section? Remove the range, reduce the range a little bit. Go inside. One more. Okay, enough. Go to view, right click. Go to view. Okay, you see the sections. Clear? So let us save this project, save this. You can go to file option, save, or find the shortcut key here is Control S. And let me save this one in the desktop. You can save it as a project sample or something like sample. And when you save here, use the option here and enable maximum backup is 1. Maximum backup options. Click the option button and select then maximum option is 1.
Project sample.
And say save it. Now the project is saved on your computer. When you click on the option, you have to click what? Sample. Sorry, my backup is only 1.
Yeah, that's true. Just click only one.
Yeah, click only 1.
I already saved before.
I've already saved before, so
I will save as.
Hmm.
So I will select the project one. And then when it's showing option the project. So I will
Save the maximum backup is only one is enough. When you, even if you already save it, you can save as here, save as project. Save as project, and that time use the maximum backup is 1.
Yeah, I said I've saved it before.
That's why if it is saved before, now you say save as. Save as and save the maximum backup is 1, because maybe you have saved it with a 20 times backup. It will create a number of backups in your desktop. Options. When you go to options here, see file save as here, file save as, project, save as project. Did you see the options here? In the options, and you see the maximum backup is given as 20 for you, may change into 1. Option here, change into 1.
sections.
Hmm?
Creating detailed sections.
Hmm.
How do you restrict it to like one room?
You want to change sections to 1 room, huh? Okay, I'll teach you that one later. But if you want it, you can right now, you can decrease a section, like you can click on this range. Using this icon, you can reduce the range like that. From here. Come on, click it and reduce it, like, okay, to that range. So you can change it later. Okay. So now we have a rooms and sections. Okay, when I look at this one, the totally I have how many floors here? When I say my elevations here, when I see my elevations, it's having 1, 2, 3, 4 floor I have it, and 2 basement I have it. 4 floor and 2 basements is no problem. So we will develop something in the what? Ground floor. Yeah, see this section sometimes is disturbing, maybe these sections and dimensions is right now it's disturbing to you. If you want, you can turn off these dimensions. So how can I turn off the sections here? Go to visibilities. How do you take visibilities? No, VV. And in the annotate categories, go to here, find out sections. Click section icons here.
To import categories.
No, annotate categories. Annotate categories, select the sections, and you see that it is turned off. How do you open them back? Visibility, and go to annotate category, and again enable what? Section. Enable your sections, you will get the section back. Visibility, go to annotate category and select section. Okay, Right now you turned off what? Sections. Because it's disturbing me, therefore I turned off. Okay? Now I'm going to draw a floor staircase here. So here you have a staircase. See this staircase, you have it. This is your staircase. Select the staircase. And we have a different type of staircase, straight or full step spiral. So spiral, or you have a center in the spiral, or you have a L-shape wider or L-shape winder, and you have a U-shape winder. There are several types, or even you can use your own staircases. So let me take again back, go to what? Staircase. Using the straight staircases, I'm going to start from the ground floor to what? To what? Mezzanine floor. So I can draw one staircase. So it looks like too big. No. So this is going beyond the wall if I draw like this, isn't it? The staircase is going to go beyond the wall. This is not nice. So cancel that. So take your staircase. I'll just come like that and click here and draw like this. So if I want, I can do this way, or either you can use the other method. So click here. Totally, how many steps is coming? 27 steps from ground floor to mezzanine. So I can do something here, and the balance I can draw it here. Now using the arrow buttons, I can move a bit. Finally, I can select all of them and move in the corner. Or you can use the arrow align key, AL align. That's the border. That's the border. That's how you can move it. Also, isn't it? In this way, you can move also. And finally say finish. So you have a staircase here. You see that? You have a staircase. Then
landing and it to drag
you can drag it somewhere here. This is your
the
landing.
outer, okay.
Like
Okay,
this.
Because last time I
No, take it outside. Okay, any issues? Okay, take your staircase. Here is your staircase. One. Okay, yeah, now you can draw it. Click it one. Stop it. Then move in, zoom in. Zoom, click somewhere in this corner. No, drag it like, go straight. Take it little bit outside. One more. Okay. Okay. Come full. Okay. Click it. Now AL align. AL, this border, click it. This one. This one. Okay, not that one, other one. Click it. Click here. This one. Other one. The second line, first line here. No, bottom line. Okay. Done? Okay, that's good. Then finally you will say what? Finish. Okay. But the staircase, you can still what? It is in the middle house, no? You have to move it. So you can move like that. Or use the align key. Which key? AL, align to middle. Okay. No, it's in the middle. Okay. Finally, you will say what? Align, AL, align. You know, align tool, huh? No, this one, other one. This one to this one. Okay. Okay, no problem. Then finally, finish. Okay. Now, how to move to this corner? AL. AL align to here to the center. Here to the center. Okay. Cancel this. Okay. You have the stair now.
This thing, how do we go to, want to adjust the number of steps? How do we do that? And also if you want to adjust the dimension.
Of the height. Okay. So again, visibility, enable the visibility, go to annotate, enable the section. Enable the sections. See, you have your what? The section is already crossing this over, no? So you can go to section view. You see that? The steps is going like that. You can adjust your sections like this. Right click and go to view. So this is your first steps.
Just bring in section and we can put the gear in view. Shade one. It will fully shade, so only the staircase how we can shade.
Yeah, it is shading because see here, where is the section goes? You are here, reduce the range. Okay, now go to see. And
This one is staircase.
because you are behind, no, you are here. Come here
So they can.
and change to here to here and see the sections.
Okay, we are going inside the. The last size is here. It's not flush with the floor. How do I fix this?
No, it is fixed. Let me check it. It is already mounted. It's already mounted. It is already mounted. This is steps to next step. This is your last step, and this will be floor step. It's already mounted. You see that the arrow is there. Okay, showing. What happened?
Same question.
Visual style, said it. Okay. Go to your ground floor, select it, come behind. You see the section you are standing here. You are standing here, move the section below. Now you are standing here. And the range you have to put it here. This is the range you have to see. The sections 2 looks like this.
The first one I asked was, how do we identify the right side?
Okay.
We need automatically give us the total length, because she just puts the staircase, it will automatically bring out, and then I do not exceed for maybe like 1 inch.
Okay.
Do you understand?
So staircase here in the general one, the ground floor. When you take a staircase here and automatically default riser is given here is what? 250 millimeters. If you look at this one, it's a default riser which is given 250 millimeters. And 190 millimeter maximum is given, and riser is what? Maximum riser is given 250. So you can customize that one. How do you customize this? When you take a staircase, you can use what? Edit and make a duplicate of this. You can customize your one. So how are you going to customize it? I'm going to use the maximum riser height is 200. Okay. And the treat, I'm going to use it like 300. Okay. So I'm going to say what riser height is what? I'm going to use it 200. And what? Treat. I'm going to use it 300. Okay. So you can give your duplicate name. After you giving your duplicate name, you can change this one into what? 200, and this one is going to be what? 300. Okay. After that, using this one, start to draw your staircase, and then it will tell you maximum number of what? Steps. It tells me 25 steps require it. In such settings to run it, it require 25 steps. Either you want to go straightly 25, or you may have a what? Landing. Okay, here one landing and another landing and another landing. It's up to you. So you can change this one to here. Sorry. Either you can change this one to here and this one to what? This one to here. Again, this one to here. So this is, you can change the order, align orders.
What's the maximum price height?
How much we give now? Riser, I gave it how much?
200.
200. From one floor, one steps to another steps is a riser height. That is street. The finger footprint that you keep it is 300. That is street. Okay. So AL align. So this border to this border. See here. Now I create a steps like this. Okay. Now say finish. So when you look at your steps here, let me look at from here. You see here, I changed my sections like this. Go to see sections. It looks like this. Comes and going like that. It will be looks like this. So there are two landing between that. Two landing I have it. So you want to have a U landing. How do you create a U landing? Say this time we will change the stair height as new size, huh? How do you change a new size now? Take a stair and then what? Edit, then duplicate. Okay, how much your size you're going to say? Your riser is going to have a 300. Say, riser is what? Riser H, riser mean height. It's going to have a 300. And the treat, I'm going to use it 250. Treat is what? 250. Okay, with this setting, I will change the riser is 300 and this treat is 250 and say okay now. So now I'll get the steps. Okay, this is a U steps. U. Okay, I got U stairs or U shape. I got it. See, this is a U stairs. Hmm? What happened? Okay, can do. Understand? Cancel this and take it back. Stair.
Edit.
Edit and duplicate it. What happened? You want to continue? Okay, take again what? This one. From where? Okay, this is your last steps according to the setting. And finish. It's done. Okay, because of your settings, it's getting more steps.
Okay.
Okay. So when you increase the riser height, the steps will be reduced. And when you increase the riser height, see, the U shape is very less steps because the reason is why the number of riser is more higher, plus the treat also is very smaller. So I'm getting a small space. Delete it. You can things.
Apart from this. So.
Okay. Now whatever you configure in the rename, you have to give here. Riser is what? 200. 300. Okay. Yeah, say okay now. Now you can start to draw. It will tell you how many steps will come. Steps is total. Go down, go up completely, and it says total 26 steps is there. How are you going to put the 26? Straightly or partially, it's up to you. Hmm. 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 But you didn't complete 26 steps. Huh? Now again continue it because it's still pending is there. This is the one complete. So you have to tell where you're going to come. So according to the design, it's coming like this. Okay. So we can delete all the stairs. Delete them, whatever you practice it, select it and delete it. It's empty. Okay. Done. So you have any staircase there? If you have a staircase, delete them.
Even the one the
Whatever you
the first one
practice,
we did,
yeah, everything delete it. So just select it and delete button. Okay.
the first one is
Go outside. This one red one, the red cross mark you can close. Close.
Say yes. Then select it and delete. Okay. So now let us draw a small staircase here with a proper size. So take a new staircase. I'm going to tell you. So create stairs. Okay. We will create a staircase and riser is 250 and treat also is what? 250. Say 200.
the track need to be more than the riser.
Hmm?
The track need to be more than the riser.
Treat is your feet, no?
Yes.
It's 200 I gave it. 8 inches.
Yes.
Very small, huh?
Meaning more instead the riser need to be 200 and the track 250.
Okay, make it 250. No problem. Okay. 250. Or you can make it this one is 230. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Huh? So we will prepare this one. So we will name this one name staircase 1. Name of the stair is what? Staircase CS01. Sorry. 01. Okay, 1. And in the bracket you can say by 230 into 250 and close it. That is the name of your stair. So I can say copy this one. I'll go to what now? Go to
Stairs.
stair and edit, duplicate it, and the name of the stair, this one. Staircase 1, 230 by 250. So this is what? 230 and 250. Say OK. Now from the ground floor to what? Mezzanine. Ground floor to mezzanine. Now let me draw. Let me draw U shape, U shape like this. And again, what? I'll draw one more size, which is U shape. Okay. Okay. Now how can I place this one? Finish it. And then AL align to this border to that border and that border to what? This border. It's in the corner. Just keep like that in the corner. Can you do this? Okay. Done. Working. After placing of it, you will use the align tool, AL align. Yes, this too. Here. Control Z and see. You have to first align this. This to this here. I think you gave it too much length here. Cancel that and do it again. Okay. Click stair. Okay. Press to on and then come little bit like this and again 2. You see that you have 2 more stairs additionally and finally finish first. Then AL align to here and finally this one. This is the method.
But if you want to be equal,
You should first calculate total number of steps. If you want to be equal, you have to take care about how much is coming now, how much it is there. 27. 27 then divided by 2.
you have to take about 13 and 14.
So 14 first and then 13 balance. It cannot be equal because in this sense it is like this, it will be like that. It cannot be equal because it's not 28. Clear, working? Done? All right. So, and in last command, you can use your cameras as you have a camera in the 3D view. We have a camera and click this corner and see, it will show you like that. This is your camera view. Inside it, it looks like this. This is your camera view.